Welcome to Bluefrog Home Services of New Orleans. Keeping the air in your house clean and healthy is a big deal. It's a great way to reduce allergy issues and provide a comfortable environment for your family. You may have tried a local small purifier in the house, but it might be time to finally consider having a unit installed in your HVAC system. The two main types of return filters which clean the air from your house before it is heated or cooled, or a supply air system which cleans the air after it's cooled or heated. Get the right unit for your house from the pros at Bluefrog Home Services of New Orleans.